It's a new update in Gorilla Tag. With the time with our
update.
Big City vibes.
Update.
Big complex
The code is DSNVR.
Okay. We have to go. I'm going. Oh, this is cool. It's not a summer update. It's not a summer. It's not a summer update. What the heck?
There's so many maps.
It's bad.
Don't try rotating. What's that? Hold on. This is new update.
Oh, this is terrible. This is terrible. It's terrible.
No. It's Bigfoot.
Oh, you're peacocking it.
God damn, Subway Surfers.
I need to find out what peacock. I don't know what to find out.
The Statue of Liberty.
Come on.
So,
Go down here. They had Subway Surfers. Buy everything. Buy everything.
it's terrible. It's terrible.
Down there.
Oh, yo, no.
Wait, what? There's Subway. There's a brand new map.
Yeah, I know.
8 days remain?
No way, they added the pizza update. Pizza.
Bro, it's Bigfoot. It's Bigfoot, bro. Hold on, I gotta look at all these cosmetics first.
Oh my gosh, ew, it's so ugly.
It's big. Hey, yo.
Oh, Bigfoot. I love Bigfoot.
No way. I'm gonna get the mom.
Ugh, I don't like this.
Can I be up for it? She does
Lemming, I am so mad with you. Everybody wants a summer update, and you're not giving us a summer update.
No, you cannot. I know y'all don't believe this, but I really miss the
Peace
old
up, peace.
Ugh, this is terrible.
$10. Oi, treat the coconut night. Oi, treat the coconut night.
No, he has those furry feet. You have a pizza. I conquered King Kong.
Eiffel Tower suit.
Yo, this is 4,000.
This is awesome.
What is this? Basement new? Bro, what the heck? What is new with this update? What is that? What is this?
I didn't test it yet.
Is it a subway?
I want it.
Is this a subway map?
What's that game called? It's called the...
It's a subway map!
When you spray on the, when you spray on the train, you mean subway surfing? You mean subway surfing? This game's Subway Surfers, bro.
It's Subway Surfers! It's Subway Surfers! Bro, it actually is Subway Surfers! What the heck? It's Subway Surfers! Actually,
It's Jake Paul.
ew.
No, guys, it's Mike Tyson.
Mike Tyson. Bro, that's racist. You just called
It's
Mike
literal
Tyson a
Subway
monkey.
Surfer!
You just called Mike Tyson a monkey.
Wait, what?
Bro, that is a monkey.
What is this? Wait, horror monster! Horror monster! Horror monster! Are you guys forgetting about the horror monster that got added?
Imagine someone had mods.
It is a horror monster?
They're big.
Yeah.
They turn to King Kong.
This is my first time checking this update out.
Wow.
Subway Surfers! Pretty much.
I don't even use it.
It's on top of you.
Oh, it's just a wind barrier.
Wait, did I get it? I wonder,
Metropolis? What the heck?
Oh, is it heavy?
The sparklers are back! The sparklers! The sparklers are back! Why is it a pretzel?
No, but what the fuck?
What is
This
he?
update is shit. 8 days.
It's just really
Wait,
cool.
how many days until 4th of July? Oh shit, it's 6.
What?
I'm the Statue of
It's a drone.
Liberty. I'm the Statue of Liberty.
And you touch literally awesome.
And you are? I'm Bigfoot. Now I'm Bigfoot. Please? Where? Yeah, there's a new map somewhere. I don't.
What is this? Ew.
It's in city.
It's literally Subway Surfers.
Wait a minute.
It's, bro, you don't see the new map.
Bro, they even find us up there from my phone. Is it over there?
It's a Subway map.
I just rethink what the heck? It's because I didn't. It's because I completely forgot there was a new update.
What the heck? Sparklers.
Guys, I'm a new complete officer now. I'm a new.
What?
What the sigma is happening?
What the heck?
Any other matter?
Okay, we're going to check out.
Any other 2023 officer? Not what they're going to. They're going to have a 2020.
Let's see what this is.
Yo. Oh, they're going to have a. You gotta wait.
Didn't change. Just not right now.
Guys, is there a new monster?
I wanted a summer update.
Alright, my dog's at the door.
Wait, there's no new monster?
No, there isn't! There isn't? Let me in!
We're not finished. We're not
And what
finished.
did I hear?
Where's the exit? They haven't lied. Real tag lied. There is
We wanted a summer update, Lemming. This is just bad.
Open it! Open it! All that they added was a brand new map. No, that's still a lot. That's still a lot, bro. I'm checking out the new girl tag update.
Alright.
This is so disappointing. What happened?
There it is.
There's no new.
I want to check out the other maps.
We've been scammed.
We've been scammed by TTT Pig. We've been scammed by TTT Pig. TTT Pig said that there's going to be a new horror monster.
Oh, he's lying. TTT Pig lied.
Guys, it's supposed to get in. TTT Pig lied to us.
What
And
the
they removed
heck?
all the cool cosmetics.
We wanted a summer update. What is wrong with you, Lemming?
I just wanted a summer update, not a city
Giving
update.
us,
We already have
giving
city
us
maps
something
anyways.
that we hate.
This is like the worst update ever.
Worse than last update. Worse than the update that changed a few minutes ago.
This update sucks. There's no new ghost.
There's actually a whole new map in Beach Map.
Huh? Don't be.
Wait.
Don't.
There's a beach revamp!
There's a water park.
Beach revamp! Beach revamp! Beach revamp! Beach revamp! Beach revamp. And beach revamp! 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 Beach revamp!
Alright, thank you.
Guys, there's a beach revamp!
I don't know. That's rotating.
Rotating.
No, guys, there's a beach revamp!
706. 706. Oh my, I have edited 706.
Everybody, there was a guy who said that there was a beach revamp, and let's see if he's right. Oh, I don't know. It was so good.
There's a new map. There's new cosmetics.
No! I'm giving this update a 0 out of 10.
What do you mean?
It's so bad.
Why? What do you?
They didn't get a beach revamp.
Oh, so you're a part of the game.
Well, they changed beach.
No, Josh, that's mods.
I hate this.
We don't have mods, Josh. You have a computer for that.
I'm.
Look at this. So poor. This is so poor now.
Oh, this is so bad. I think the Subway Surfers map is better.
I did it. But still, there is no review. I thought that too.
We didn't even make a summer update.
The Rocklet album is at least.
I'm going back.
Lemmings suck.
My brother's saying, screaming, "Oh, you can't have a stump?"
You saw a guy? Junior! I said if you want. I don't even.
Lemmings suck.
But this is what real girl tag game, but without the update.
This is such a bad thing.
The new map is amazing. We already had the summer flashback.
This is
4th of July update. But all we want
Did anything change?
is there even
I see a
it's not even a summer update. We wanted a summer update, not this goofy update that I give a 0 out of 10.
No. The music. Oh, I thought that was just that.
Bro, there's not even anything on top of Stump.
It's a fake ghost.
Lemming! This is so bad. I hate this. So guys, if you join this, if you guys don't like this update, like and subscribe.
It's a good update, isn't it?
See you guys.